Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to block sites on Microsoft Edge. So first of all, open the Edge. Now go on top right corner and click on these three dots. Now go on settings. After that, navigate to privacy, search and services. Now change balance to strict. Now scroll down and off the switch under privacy. Scroll down and under security, block potentially unwanted app on this. Now you're set to go. So that's how you can block unwanted sites in your feed. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.